Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by finding the strongest lines in the scene and immediately position yourself. Look for roads, rails, fences, shadows, or architectural seams. Once found, move your body, lower, raise, step left or right, to change where lines lead the eye. Use a wide lens to exaggerate depth, or a telelens to compress space and tighten the composition. Make sure to preview how lines meet the frame edges and choose the angle that points the viewer to your subject. Now continue by composing with purpose. Place your subject where leading lines converge, whether on a rule of thirds point or dead center for impact. Then control depth of field. Stop down to f/8 or f/11 to keep background context, or open to f/4 to isolate the subject while still using lines. Once done, introduce a foreground element to enhance scale and guide the eye through layers. Make sure to check line continuity across the frame. To finish, take a series of intentional frames. Vary angle, focal length, and aperture so you have options. Review images on the camera. Check that lines lead smoothly to the subject and that frame edges don't cut off important elements. If you find distracting intersections or competing lines, troubleshoot by moving 1 to 3 steps left or right, changing lens focal length, or slightly shifting height. That usually resolves clashes. Finally, refine until lines naturally guide the viewer to the story you want to tell.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.